thing called the Krabby Patty. Every greasy spoon has a fry cook, and the one who worked here was named SpongeBob SquarePants.
Overcooked. Food that has been cooked too long and becomes dry or burnt. My steak was overcooked and to dry.
Overcooked spaghetti.
Okay.
Getting overcooked!
Under season, overcooked.
This pasta's way overcooked, Buster!
Jimbo, overcooked.
Undercooked. Food that hasn't been cooked long enough and is still raw inside. This chicken is undercooked. I can't eat it.
About some undercooked food.
Who's he complaining to?
Undercooked? This turkey looks perfect. Smack myself in the face with it.
This brisket looks very undercooked.
Really wasn't undercooked for me.
Soggy. Food that is too wet or soft, losing its crispy texture. These fries are soggy. They're not crispy at all.
Bun man appeals at soggy sandwiches and guns.
A soggy disaster!
Civilians. Come on, Soggy.
And he'll be one soggy ghost? Rocky.
Greasy. Food that has too much oil or grease. I love pizza, but this one is too greasy.
Greasy walls.
Listen, my little greasy monkey.
Here, open this.
Easy greasy.
The greasiest greasy spoon.
Bland. Food that has no strong taste or seasoning. This burger is so bland, it needs more spices.
This meatloaf is bland.
Potatoes are very bland.
It was delicious.
It was bland.
My chilaquiles are not bland.
Fluffy. Food that is soft, airy, and light in texture. I love fluffy pancakes for breakfast.
Fluffy, fluffy, flu, flu.
Told you about Fluffy.
Fluffy. You're so fluffy! You're so fluffy!
Pancakes extra fluffy.
Hey, Cloud, I am a fluffy cloud.
Charred. Food that is burned on purpose too, add a smoky flavor. I like my steak slightly charred on the edges.
The charred crotch.
Some charred papayas, pumpkin.
Oh, charred and moist, like Satan's burps.
Until their charred bodies.
Crumbly. Food that breaks apart easily into small pieces. This cookie is too crumbly, it falls apart in my hands.
Everything is crumbling.
It's time to crumble!
I cannot stop to crumble.
Chewy. Food that requires a lot of chewing before swallowing. These bagels are too chewy, I can barely eat them.
Mangoes and chewy cocoa beans.
Chewy.
Ooh, too chewy. This one's got some nuttiness.
And it's chewy.
Chewy.
Zesty. Food that has a strong, fresh, and slightly tangy flavor. I love zesty lemon chicken.
Madam Lakshmi's hot and zesty.
Zesty Italian? Oh, I just couldn't.
Monkeys, I have mastered your zesty and expressive language.
Zesty brand baby tacos. Now in man flavor.